Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to build a custom formula in Excel using Gemini. I will introduce you the problem what we want to solve. So I have a list of SKUs of products and I'm using a XLOOKUP formula, but the limitation of this XLOOKUP formula is that it's only returning the first result. So here is the table where I have, for example, the SKUI with all the countries, so it will return only the first one that it finds. So what I would like to build is a formula that is returning every single production plan that finds in the set of data. So how are we going to do this? So we will go to Gemini. Just to not to distract you, I'm going to switch off the camera. Just a second. I'm going to switch off the camera and I'm going to start the timer to see how long it takes. Okay, so we are in Gemini. Here on the bottom part, if you are not familiar, we have the prompt. And here what I would type is, can you help me to create a custom formula in VBA similar to XLOOKUP, but that returns all values found. I would like each result separated from each other with a line fit. This part is very important. You need to specify once you will get the results how you want to sort them. So in this case, my preference align fit. Then later we can try different solutions. And as well, I want to specify a bit more details what we want to input to this formula. So I want to limit the inputs to 3. And the first one is going to be the lookup value. The second one is going to be the lookup array. And the third one is going to be the return array. So we have the prompt created. I'm going to click submit and let's see. Okay, so it's saying absolutely, I'm going to help you. So here you have, without typing any code, the VBA code. It has all the explanation and as well a bit of detail how to use it. So let's go and put this in practice. So I'm going to copy the code, clicking this button. I'm going back to my Excel. I'm going to press F11 to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. I'm going to create a new module. Okay, the modules is where I will be putting this code and I'm just going to paste it. So I'm going to copy the name because this will use it later. So basically that's it. I'm going to save, close, and now it's simply, I'm going to use this multi-VLOOKUP formula. So I want to find the array, I want to find the A in the array, in the column production, sorry, in the column SKU. Apologies, so I'm going to copy basically the same as here, as in the normal VLOOKUP. So I want to find A2, which is the SKU, in the array that has all the SKUs, and I want to get the resource from production plus. Let's click OK, scroll down. It looks like it didn't work, but the reality is that it did work. So I just need to put the formats in a bit nicer way. And here you go. So this is the custom formula we have. If needed, for example, we could put the production volume and copy the same formula. But instead of returning the production plan, I would like to get the production volume that is here. Okay, so click enter. I know the format at the moment is a bit ugly. You need to click this button here So basically you have Spain and the volume, Italy and the volume. So in this way, you have all the data that is here in the initial data in the table in a bit more organized way using the multi VLOOKUP. It might not make much sense because this table is small, so you might think it can be done manually, but imagine you have, I don't know, 2000 records. So this would be a very fast way to do it. And I'm going to stop the timer. So again, it took less than 5 minutes to create the formula. I'm going to just show one more example if some of you are curious. I'm going to copy the same prompt and paste it here in ChatGPT to see if the result is the same. So the first thing I can see is that the code has been prepared a bit faster. It doesn't give too much information as Gemini how it working. Here you have the explanation. But from the other hand, it gives you some idea how to use this function. Okay, so it has pros and cons. I think using both simultaneously is a good idea. And just to show another more example, I'm going to ask to change the name of the function to multi XLOOKUP GPT. So we'll have two functions and then change the line feed by comma and space. Okay, so here we have the new code, and now I'm going to show you. So once again, function F11, sorry, wrong button, function F11. In the same module, I'm going to paste it here just on the bottom. I'm going to copy the name of the function, save, close, um, and I'm going to copy exactly the same data as I used on the previous function. And here you can see the difference. Do it the same, but we have changed the line feed by a comma space. It depends on the preference. On some people like it to have it organized like with line feeds. In some cases, you would like to have it with comma and space. So that's it. I hope it was useful, and I strongly encourage you to try. And if you have any suggestion or any comment, please put it on the comments below. Thank you.